To connect Mailchimp on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the Apps section. Click on the Visit the Shopify App Store button and search for Mailchimp in the search bar. Click on the Mailchimp app and then click the Add App button. Next, you will be redirected to the Mailchimp website where you will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. If you do not have a Mailchimp account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize the connection between Mailchimp and Shopify. Click on the Install button to proceed. After installing the app, you will be redirected back to your Shopify account where you will need to configure the settings. For the Mailchimp app, this includes setting up your audience and choosing which customer groups to sync with Mailchimp. You can also customize the email notification settings and choose which email templates to use. To complete the setup, navigate to the Mailchimp app in your Shopify account and click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to set up your email list and create a welcome email for new subscribers. You can also set up abandoned cart emails and other automated email campaigns. It is essential to note that you need to have a Mailchimp account to connect it to Shopify. If you do not have one, create it before starting the process. Also, ensure that your customer email list is synced correctly to avoid any issues with your email campaigns. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Mailchimp to your Shopify account and start creating targeted email campaigns to your customers. This will help you to increase engagement, drive sales, and grow your business.